Creating your own liquid fertilizer at home is an easy and effective way to enhance your plant's health and productivity. By utilizing common kitchen scraps, you can produce a nutrient-rich solution that promotes vigorous growth. This eco-friendly method not only saves money, but also ensures your plants receive essential nutrients in a readily accessible form. With just a few days of preparation, you can provide your plants with the nourishment they need to thrive. Regular application of this homemade fertilizer can lead to stronger, healthier plants and improved soil quality. Start by collecting banana peels and onion peels in separate containers. Opt for containers with tight-fitting lids to prevent spills. Once you have a sufficient amount of peels, fill each container with lukewarm water until the peels are fully submerged. Close the lids and let the containers sit for a few days. This allows the nutrients from the peels to leach into the water, creating a nutrient-rich liquid. After a few days, strain the liquid from both containers to remove any solid bits of peel. Mix the liquids together in a single container. This combined liquid will serve as your homemade fertilizer. When it's time to water your plants, add a small amount of this concentrated liquid to your watering can. A good dilution ratio is about 1 part fertilizer to 5 parts water. This ensures the fertilizer is not too strong for your plants. Use this mixture to water your plants once a week for optimal results. Banana peels, rich in potassium. Banana peels are essential for plant growth. Potassium aids in the movement of water and nutrients between cells, enhancing overall health and resilience. It also strengthens stems and helps plants resist diseases. Additionally, the phosphorus found in banana peels supports root development and flowering, making it especially beneficial for fruiting plants like tomatoes and peppers. Onion peels are packed with nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Calcium is crucial for cell wall structure, promoting strong and healthy growth. Magnesium is a key component of chlorophyll, which plants use for photosynthesis. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to yellowing and weakness in plants. Sulfur plays a vital role in protein synthesis and enzyme function, contributing to overall growth and health. The natural nutrients from banana and onion peels will gradually enhance soil quality. As you consistently use this fertilizer, the soil will become richer in organic matter, improving its ability to retain water and nutrients. This can lead to better plant performance and increased yields over time. For the best results, maintain a regular feeding schedule with your homemade liquid fertilizer. Weekly applications will ensure that your plants receive a steady supply of nutrients. Over time, you should notice significant improvements in plant growth, flowering, and fruiting. This simple practice of transforming kitchen waste into valuable plant food can greatly enhance your garden's health and productivity. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and explore our other videos for more gardening tips and tricks.